will forever be that bitch. I'm gonna fix my hair first because I don't know what it looks like, and I don't want to film this whole clip with my hair looking really weird. Okay, better. Hey guys, it's 8:22 in the morning on Saturday. I wanted to vlog today just because I felt like it. Faith and I are going to go swim laps at our pool this morning. Faith, what is up? I'm tired, so I don't really have that much to say right now. Okay, it's time to swim now. I don't want to get in. I need to try and not splash the camera. Okay, I'm going. Okay. This is probably really embarrassing because my technique sucks. This is no good practice. I'm just getting in some exercise. There's people here, but I don't care. Faith's over here. I haven't done year-round since I was 11. We're gonna swim for like at least 15 more minutes. Okay, we're done. I'm very out of shape. The water is disgusting. Like, you literally can't see through it. It's like so foggy. Glad I did this. We just got back from the pool and I just changed into some workout clothes. Instead of doing like a 30-minute workout video, I think I'm just gonna do like a 10-minute ab video. Halfway. It wasn't awful. Lily Sabri, Intense Abs Fat Loss in 7 Days. I really like Lily Sabri. She has like 30-minute long workouts too. Would recommend doing Lily Sabri's workouts. I'm gonna get in the shower and then we're going to Tropical Smoothie. Yo, we got our tropical. I got a quesadilla and the acai berry boost smoothie with peanut butter and no sugar. We just ate and hung out with Kaylee, Abigail, and Melanie. I am about to buy a camera. I keep putting off buying it because I just don't want to spend that much money. I think I've talked myself into it. It's sold out. Are you kidding me? Of course. I don't know what to get. I did not realize that this is gonna be such an issue. Oh my god. So I just like completely stopped vlogging yesterday. I think I'm gonna vlog the next few days. I did end up ordering a camera. It's 9:40 on Sunday now. I'm just about to start cleaning my room before I go to work. I only have like 30 minutes till I have to get ready. Hi guys. It is so hot in this car right now. My face is like kind of red right now because I was literally sweating. I had to roll silverware in the back and it's so hot in the back. I just got off of work, so now I'm gonna head home. It says it's 102 degrees outside and I literally have to wear like all black. My vlog game's been weak. We're on our way to Logan's in the hurricane. We're doing Kahoot night, so we all made random Kahoots about ourselves. So that noise you just made like freaked me out. I'll vlog some of it. Actually, I can't because I'm gonna be using my phone for Kahoot. So just kidding. Guys, when Secret Hitler, it's down to the last hand. Today's president. Pick Catherine. I trust Catherine. What if the black isn't in the hand? I knew Catherine was talking more, so I knew she wasn't fascist, and I trusted Abigail, so I trusted you too.
I thought Faith was fascist.
I wanted it too. That was too much. I can't handle this right now. It came. I ended up getting the Canon G7X Mark III. Okay, I'm charging this first. Okay, it's charging. I'll definitely attach this. I cannot believe this right now. I just need to wait for the battery to charge and then I can use it. I'm gonna go freak out about this for a while I wait for my battery to charge. Look at me, I'm vlogging. See you guys tomorrow when I start vlogging on this. It's 1 o'clock on Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. I haven't vlogged at all today. I woke up and went to the doctor and I had to get a shot. And then I went and got some ice cream from Culver's. I think I'm gonna film a video today. I'm gonna do my makeup now. Okay, I'm going to go curl some pieces of my hair now because it just makes it look better than like this. Is it yellow? I just finished filming the video, and around 7:30 we're gonna go get Pelican, which is the snow cone place near us. I don't think I'm gonna get anything since I had ice cream earlier. So we're on our way to Pelicans right now. We're probably gonna eat there and then come over hang out here after. I've been having phone issues for like a week. Yeah. And I finally tried to fix it today, and then my phone just kind of disappeared. Oh my gosh, it's staying!
He did have it when he didn't.
Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, forever be that bitch! My battery's low! How? It is 11:21 on Thursday, and I woke up early this morning. I didn't vlog at all after Pelicans because I had a really bad reaction to my shot for some reason. I had like body aches and all that stuff, and it just like wasn't a good combo, and I was not feeling it. I had to take 2 ACT practice tests this morning for my tutoring homework, and I improved on both, which is so exciting. We're leaving in like 20 minutes to go to Shake Shack with some of our friends. We're meeting there at 12. Faith and I have ACT tutoring at 2:30, and then after that I'll probably just do like Common App stuff and edit. Hey guys, we just made it to Shake Shack. We're gonna pick up our food and then go eat outside. Shout out to Abigail for getting us a shady table. Oh my gosh, the fact that I look like this right now. It's 5:30. I did not vlog at Shake Shack. Excuse me, sorry about that. I just like don't feel like vlogging, and then all of a sudden I'll just be sitting in my bed and then want to vlog, which isn't very, what's the word? Convenient. It's not very convenient. I think my phone case came. I really hope it did get delivered to the house because I don't want to have to walk all the way down to the mailbox. Basically, this phone case got disgusting. It's like totally broken. I saw a bunch of TikToks of people ordering the custom Casetify cases. I got a bunch of pictures together and made a custom case, and I ordered it. I had so many problems with it. I literally waited like 2 months for it until I finally just canceled the order. But I was going back and forth, like emailing them constantly about different things. They gave me like a $2 discount. And then 2 weeks later, after they gave me that discount and said it was being made, I still heard nothing after 2 weeks. So then I finally just emailed them back and was like, I just want a refund. It's not worth it anymore. So then I was looking for cases, and I found this wildflower one on Urban Outfitters. Look at this. Finally. Also, first of all, school starts in literally a week from Monday, and it's Thursday, and we still don't have our schedules. But like they said, the first 2 weeks of school we're like not even doing anything, and like the 4th day of school there's like a senior parade contest thing. There was a Google form about the parade themes. They're all so bad except for one of them. So the first one that I really like is red, white, and blue / like seniors, because our school's colors are red, white, and blue. The other option's Disney, which isn't terrible, but how am I gonna decorate a car? Disney, I don't know. But the other 2 options are Pirates and Marvel Comics. I swear, if it's Marvel Comics, I'm really excited that we get to do something like this, because obviously senior year is pretty messed up. I know some people are going back to school, but my county, we aren't going back to school, and there's just a lot of things that probably aren't gonna happen. It's really annoying. I'm also hoping that like the ACT happens. I'm doing tutoring, I just had it today. I'm improving a lot, so if I don't get a chance to take the test, I will flip. Cincy. It's like my camera but mini version. Hey! Hi vlog. We're currently sitting on the porch. Look at the sunset.
Hi vlog.
What's not focused?
Well, you better focus in on me.
We watched Jeopardy and ate dinner. What should they do? Like and subscribe and comment down below. You heard it here first. Anyways, thanks for watching my vlog. This one was a lot of just me. My last one was like all with friends. This one,
It's just Abby and her new camera.
it's just Abby. Just a week in the life of a YouTuber.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Constitution class to look forward to.
My dad signed us up for Constitution class.
That we are not doing.
Bye. See you soon.
Oh, Abby.
What?
You're funny.
I know. Don't know how I haven't blown up yet though.